Hey there, today I have another Infinitely LOFT box to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Infinitely LOFT, it is a clothing rental subscription service from Loft, and it's a flat $65 a month, and you get to rent supposedly unlimited rentals, but basically you get to have 3 items of clothing at a time, and so you get as many as you can, but it does take some time to turn over. So I would say I think realistically 3 boxes is about what you can get. I'll put some information about how Infinitely LOFT works in the description box below. I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of clothing rental subscription services up above. Okay, but anyway, let's go ahead and quickly unbox this because I do have to get to work. Yeah. Okay, so here's my bundle this month. And yeah, it looks nice. I think it's very kind of muted this time. Okay, with this box, it looks like I didn't get any of my priority items, which is sad, but I think they still look pretty cute. Okay, and the first item is this blouse. I think it's pretty cute. It's just kind of like a cream color with, it looks like a navy print, and it has a little bit of a flutter sleeve. And it also comes with a tie belt. So this is the Petite Floral Wrap Waist Top in Whisper White, and I got the size petite medium, and it says the buyout price is 70% off retail or $16. So that is actually a really good buyout price. And you know, I've been finding with this Infinitely LOFT that the buyout prices have been really good, at least 50% off. So it is kind of tempting to buy them, although you know it's a rental service, so I'm trying to rent things and not buy things. But $16 for this top is really good. And so it's beautiful. It has kind of a nice texture to it. And oh, and it's also lined, which is nice. So I think you don't need to wear a cami under this. So yeah, this is actually a really cute blouse, and it comes with this tie. Okay. Hi, Sammy. Okay, and next, ooh, I wasn't sure how this was going to look. I got this dress, and it's an eyelet dress, and it's actually kind of like a blue color. Ooh. Yeah, actually, in the picture, it kind of looked white, but this is the petite tiered eyelet dress in aquamarine sky. So it's almost barely aquamarine, and I got the size petite medium. Yeah, and it's really cute though. It's tiered, it's eyelet. I just envision this with a light wash denim jacket, or a medium wash maybe. I think that'll be cute. And I just hope that it's not going to be sheer. It does have a lining, but you know, I don't know. So we'll see. It does to me look a little sheer. And for this one, the buyout price is 70% off retail or $35. So yeah, this is a very nice dress. Different. Okay, and lastly, oops, I got another dress. And this one is the Petite Bouquet Wrap Flutter Flare dress in Forever Navy. And I got the size 6 petite. And yeah, it's just a very, is it a wrap? Oh yeah, it's a faux wrap. It's a knit dress, and it has a zipper in the back. And it has kind of a flouncy, fluttery hem. But yeah, it's just a very, I guess it's navy floral print, and just kind of a standard for me dress. And this one, the buyout price is 70% off retail, and it's $20.50. So that's really, really inexpensive for a dress, seriously, from Loft. And it is just a really nice dress. Okay, so that's everything I got in my Infinitely LOFT box this week. So yeah, I thought these are very cute items, even though they weren't like my priority. I still think they're wearable. But I'm going to go ahead and try them on. I don't think I have time to try them on today, but I'll either try them on this afternoon or maybe tomorrow morning. Okay, so here's the eyelet dress. And you know, this is really cute. It is lined, but it doesn't have pockets. And it's a very, very pale aquamarine color. So in the picture it kind of looked white, and that's what I thought it was, even though it did say aquamarine. But you know, I really like this dress. This is really cute. So I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. And I don't have any eyelet dresses, but when I saw this, I put it in my closet because I had seen something, I think it was on Pinterest, of an eyelet dress with a denim jacket. And I thought, oh, that's a cute look. Denim jacket and something so feminine. So yeah, so this is what I was thinking. I have this kind of a medium wash denim jacket, and I think that actually looks pretty cute. So yeah, I'll probably wear this maybe tomorrow for work. And because the material is more natural fiber, not polyester, it does feel more breathable. So cute. Okay, so here's the other dress. Yeah, and I kind of don't like this dress. I think it's, for me, it's a little too tight, and it's very clingy and short and low cut. So, I mean, you could just get a safety pin, I guess, and pin it. But yeah, I don't like this. I don't feel comfortable. I mean, it's just a style, I think. And there is a lot going on. It does have this ruffle, and it also has, you know, fluttery sleeves too. But it's just okay. But I kind of think this material, it looks a little faded. I mean, it's not terrible, but yeah, you can just tell that it's not new. Okay, so here's the top. And you know, I really do love this. And I could buy this out for $16. So I don't know, I'm really tempted. It is cute. And you'll see it has kind of like a, what is that, a flutter sleeve, and it has a tie belt, which I don't know, I didn't think that would work for me, but it actually looks okay. I think you could also wear it without the belt and be okay. And it just looks cute with jeans, but you could also wear it with, I would say, a denim skirt, and that'd be nice. Maybe even white jeans. Yeah. Yeah, so this is really cute. I do really love this. So we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so to recap, I ended up wearing this dress, this eyelet dress, yesterday. And you know, I actually thought it looked really nice with the denim jacket. I had that medium wash denim jacket, and it was cute. And I did get compliments, but I decided I'm gonna return this. So for this particular box, I'm just gonna send everything back, I've decided. I did wear this and I thought it was cute. And this dress, I thought in the picture that this would be something that, like, a totally type of dress that I normally wear, but it was a lot more fitted than I expected. And I just generally, for me, I don't like anything that hugs the tummy, because that, to me, is unflattering. I like the more flowy looks, honestly. And this top, I really do love, but I've decided not to purchase it out, even at $16, which seems like an insanely cheap price. But I just wear it today and send it back. And then just to speed everything up, I did do the return notify already online. So I did the return notify yesterday. I figure I'll wear this today, send everything back tomorrow. And once you return notify, supposedly they're starting to prep your next box. So let's hope I get my next box a little earlier. So yeah, realistically, I think if you turn everything around as quickly as you can, you'll probably still end up with 5 days in between boxes. So I think the most you can get per month would be 3 boxes for $65, and you get maybe 9 items of clothing. So I mean, I don't know, that isn't bad considering how much you would typically spend on, you know, like say a dress like this. I mean, the 70% off price was $35. So say you bought it at, even at like 30% off or whatever, and spent like $50 to $60, you'd have to wear it 10 times, right? Basically, to break even compared to what you spent on the box. I don't know, but trying to do the math to justify this. But anyway, that's all I have for today's video. And now I'm gonna bring one of my 2 furry companions who are currently sleeping on the couch to say goodbye. Who shall it be? It's just random. Okay. Sammy, she's closer. Oh, wow, okay. Ooh. She's a big girl. And then, so here's Sammy. Say hello. Yeah, so she was groomed last week, so she looks a little better. But I told them to leave her ears a little still as big. So she still has her ears. Yeah. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.